Let me ask you a hard question. Have you ever felt like your dream of starting your fashion business keeps breaking even before it begins? Like every step you take, something blocks your way. And what if I told you these broken parts are not the end, but the beginning of your own queen story? This morning in the park, I saw some of the broken benches, stagnant water, cut branches, or which were blocking the walkway. Some people stopped, they felt frustrated, some turned back, but a few, they just walked simply around, and then some of them cleared the branches and they kept going. Your business dream feels like this, doesn't it? You try to sell online and the family says, this won't work, and you post 10 reels and you don't get any sales. You open a website and the tech will confuse you. Ads eat up your money and no orders come. Broken benches everywhere, and most women stop there. Here's the truth. The broken benches are not the signals to quit. They are the signs that you're on the path. If the road was easy, everyone would have been running on their own brands. This brokenness is your test to survive and take it further. The women who becomes queens, they don't run from the broken benches to the broken benches. They just say, okay, this is in my way. Let me move it. Let me find a way around. Every obstacle they cross makes them stronger. And one day they look back and say, those benches are the ones that made me a business queen. I remember one of my students, Sudha, she was ready to quit. Her family didn't support her. Her reels had no reach. Her website had crashed, but she refused to stop. She learned step by step. She cleared her path. Today, she's running a thriving sari brand, and her family that once said it was waste of time now proudly says she's the queen of her business. Your broken benches are not like a full stop. They're just like the commas in your story. You can either sit on them and give up, or step over them and rise higher. If you don't want to stop at the broken benches, walk with me. I'll show you how to clear the obstacles and grow your businesses into a true digital Mahalakshmi empire. If you're really serious about starting your own online fashion business, then join my free masterclass. The link is provided below. You could also join using